Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about 3 English words: either, neither, both. Some English learners might find these words confusing, so let's find out what they mean and how you can use them. First, let's look at the pronunciation. You might hear these words pronounced in 2 different ways. The first one is considered to be British English: either, neither, both. The other one is considered to be American English: either, neither, both. You can use either way because both ways are correct. Now to the meaning. We use all 3 words to talk about 2 things or people. Either means one or the other of 2 things or people. For example, would you like some tea or coffee? I'll have either. I don't mind. Either here means tea or coffee. Neither means not one or the other of 2 things or people. For example, I bought 2 dresses last week. Neither dress was expensive. Both means 2 things together, one and the other. Example, I've got 2 best friends, Emily and John. Both are doctors. Emily is a doctor and John is a doctor too. Now let's look at how we use these words in a sentence. Number 1. You can use either and neither with singular noun and both with plural noun. Look at these examples here. There are 2 ways to get to my place. You can go either way. I've seen 2 films recently. Neither film was good, or both films were awful. Number 2. We can also say either of, neither of, both of, plus plural noun. But in this case, before the noun, we use the definite article the demonstrative pronouns these or those, possessive pronouns my, your, his or her, or possessive case, Tom's, my friends. Look at these examples. Either of the books I've bought is good for self-studying. Both of the books are good for self-studying. There are 2 new cafes in my street. Neither of these cafes is cheap. We can also use either of, neither of, and both of with us, you, them. My friend and I play chess every weekend, but neither of us is a good player. Or both of us are bad players. Both of you should stop fighting and apologize to each other. Number 3. We use either instead of neither with a negative verb. Look at these 2 examples. I like neither of the dresses. Or you can say, I don't like either of the dresses. In the first case, we use neither with positive verb. And the second one, we use either with negative verb. So both sentences mean the same here. Number 4. We can also say either or, neither nor, both and. Look at these examples. You can study French or Spanish. You have to choose. Neither John nor Emily came to my party. I like both summer and winter. Number 5. We can use either, neither, and both without a noun when it's clear from the context what you're talking about. Look at these examples. Would you prefer to stay at home tonight or go out? Either. I don't mind. Have you chosen French or Spanish to study? Neither. I've decided to study Chinese. Did you go to the concert or have a picnic in a park at the weekend? Both, actually. We went to a concert on Saturday and had a picnic on Sunday. Number 6. You can also use either and neither to agree with the negative sentence and say that the situation is true for you. For example, if someone says, I don't like pineapples, and the situation is true for you, you may say, neither do I. Look at the word order here. We put neither at the beginning, then we use auxiliary verb from the original sentence, do, and the pronoun I. Neither do I. Neither do I. Or you can say, I don't either. I don't either. Another example. If someone says, I can't swim, and it's true for you, you may say, neither can I. Again, we put neither at the beginning, then we use modal verb from the original sentence, and I, neither can I. Or you can also say, I can't either. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. I hope I cleared it up for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye!